lovelies. How you doing? I'm fine. Surviving another day in Nigeria. And yeah. So I've been like at my wits end. I wanted to try something new. I'm always mixing drinks. For those who follow me on IG, I'm always mixing something. Something is always coming up to mix. And I've been mixing a lot of things. So today, a couple of days ago, I came across Chef Ricardo cooking, his page on YouTube. And so when I did, I think the video that popped up was a Guinness Punch. I'd never heard of it, but apparently it's a Jamaican recipe, quite popular in Jamaica. So I was like, okay, let's try something. I've been doing a lot of mixes that aren't necessarily indigenous to any particular tribe or nation. So I said, okay, let's do something that is a bit off. And I decided to make a Guinness Punch, but the twist was I decided to add some strawberries in it. Fun fact, if you're big on fruits and you have a sweet tooth, strawberries are not sweet. So add the sour taste of strawberries to a bottle of stout, or Guinness stout, might I say. And my dears, the banana gave it a bit, like, so much of a sweetness. And then because I added caramel, so yes, it was definitely sweet, but then it had this kind of stout, bitter taste at the end of the day that I'm not quite pleased with. But my neighbor, who is big on stouts, is quite pleased with. But it's all a different point of view. But anyway, I'm grateful for this new recipe. So let me know if you do want to try it, or if you tried it before. Just let me know your thoughts.